Internet, what up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can tell in the description, we're going to talk about gravity. Is it even real? I mean, people say it's always getting me down. See, because gravity. Anyway, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe like a boss. Also, YouTube's algorithm says that you're not subscribed because, like, nobody is. So you should change that because I want to be liked by because you should do it like a boss. So let's talk about gravity. What is it even? I mean, like, other than a movie starring some people in it. Well, gravity depends on who you ask. See, Isaac Newton said that it was two objects attracted by their masses, creating a force that obeyed the inverse square law. You see, gravity was directly proportional to the gravitational constant, and it was directly proportional to the mass of the two objects and inversely proportional to the distance between the objects squared. But when you say gravity acts on an object, what do you mean? Do you mean the acceleration of gravity? Because that's different depending on what the planet is. And it's small on some places and larger on others. And what's even crazier is it's the same on all objects if you ignore air resistance and stay relatively the same distance from the planet. But distance away from the planet affects it too. Are you talking about the gravitational constant, the fact that all objects are attracted by gravity anywhere in the world and that there's a set ratio that affects how those masses and distances affect it? Maybe you're even talking about Einstein, because guess what? Einstein was like, hey, it has nothing to do with weird forces and things like that. It's a distortion of space-time. Kind of like a smooth path through the universe. So when you're hanging out with your friends, have a discussion. Is gravity worth it? I don't think it's worth it. I mean, if there was no gravity, we could float around all over the place. How fun would that be? Super fun. So whatever you do, hit that like button like a boss and subscribe!